So you've seen the Microsoft Teams Room solutions, but need something more engaging with additional features. Let's look at the interactive display. Here are 3 key features. More accessible controls. A touchscreen display shows the controls on the main screen, allowing you to drive everything from the front of the room. Presentation style. Present content to the in-room participants while ensuring hybrid participants can see it too. Whiteboarding and ideating. Make the meeting more engaging by whiteboarding directly onto the main display, enabling collaboration from both in-room participants and remote participants. The whiteboard will then be accessible via the link inside of the Teams meeting chat for all participants to access after the meeting. What if you can't mount hardware on walls, or you need something more flexible? Combox and HP Poly have teamed up to offer the most universal solution, the Mobile Interactive Teams Room. Let's take a look at its key features. Flexibility. It's easy to move the screen into any space at a moment's notice and set up a call. Durability. Built with hardened glass, tough steel, and a 5-year warranty, it can handle anything, from doorways and speed humps to cables in challenging environments, like warehouses, industrial spaces, or even outdoor locations. And it's purpose-built. It's already in use across mines, defense training facilities, classrooms, and even by national sporting teams like the Wallabies. Interested in seeing this in person? Book in a visit now.